Guys, see this big teddy bear. Oh my god. What's the price? 59.
What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created?
There are so many beautiful things in the shop now.
Don't know where I have
See
been.
air fryer.
I'm alone.
But see the price.
No one understands. Shit's too complicated.
Christmas. For Christmas decorations. And see this, their cake.
And I feel like I don't know myself. No.
This is what they usually give. Italians usually give you for Christmas. See plenty Christmas decorations.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I
this
could
cake,
show
I hate these ones that have all the things inside. I like the plain ones. I going to buy cheese, but then the one I want is not here. I like this one that is plain, but this one came with a wine. Can you see? This is the highest thing they can give you here for Christmas. See this thing. That's their highest gift for Christmas.
Hang on head and just sing glory to the newborn King. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie in the building as always. So stay tuned and enjoy this vlog. So guys, I just finished losing my hair. Guys, this braid I've carried it for almost 2 months. So I just finished losing it. I'll quickly go and wash it and then roll it, because throughout this winter I'll be putting on wig. Yeah, so stay tuned and enjoy the vlog. So I got this veggies from the shop. I'll be using it to prepare this pasta. This pasta is for kids. They wrote 9 months and above on it. So this is broccoli, carrot and zucchini. I'll be using it to prepare this for my kids. I've already washed and chopped the veggies. This is what the pasta looks like anyways. I usually wash this thing. I don't even know the name. This is kids food, you know, kids pasta, you know. I usually use hot water to wash it before cooking it for them. I don't know if it's right, or I don't know if it's appropriate. Anyways, let me know how you prepare this for your kids. So please let me know in the comment section if you know what this is, and if you used to prepare it for your kids. Let me know how you prepare yours. Okay, me, I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, but I just don't feel comfortable putting it that way without washing it, you know, the way we wash rice and all that things. So I usually use hot water to wash it before cooking it, but after washing it, it will just be white like this. Sometimes I feel I'm washing out the nutrients. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section please how you prepare yours for your kids. Oh my god. So I just go ahead and pour in the veggies, all the veggies, can you see? And then go ahead and pour the pasta. Abi, yeah. So this is my olive oil. I'll just go ahead and add just a little drop, and then I'll go ahead and add this seasoning cube. This seasoning cube is not our normal seasoning cube. This seasoning cube is made with veggies, so it's just for cooking broth. As in, I don't know how, that's what Italians call it. So I usually use it, just it, and then a pinch of salt, and finally just a pinch of salt. That is all. I'll cover it up and allow it to cook very well. I will cook the veggies till it's soft. So I always cook it very well, you know, for kids. I will finally still blend it. So I'll be adding one of these. Can you see? This is meat. Cow meat. So I'll be adding one of it. So guys, can you see? It's ready. It's ready now.
music more than twice. Same
So
song,
guys,
a brand new dance. I
blending it, this is what it looks like. Can you see? I decided to make it this water because of Nathan, and even Samantha, because once it's too thick, Samantha will not eat. If you have a picky toddler, you will understand. This is the only way I get my kids to eat vegetables, you know. So this is the only way. If I don't do it like this, there's no how Samantha, especially Samantha. As Samantha, Nathan eats everything, but Samantha is my problem, guys. This is the only way I get him to eat veggies. If I veggies, so what I do after doing it this way, I usually use spoon and forcefully feed him. That is the only way he gets to eat, guys. So if you have a picky toddler, you can try this. I cannot fold my hands and watch my son as in dry out because he doesn't want to eat. So I just have to do something for him, you know. So this is the way I do it, guys. I just say let me share with you all in case you have a picky toddler. You can as well try this. The one I'll be feeding him now. I want to go ahead and feed him because, guys, feeding him is always a struggle. You know they're easier, but I have to. You enjoyed it, ba? You enjoyed it. You enjoyed the food, ba? Guys, I did the needful and he finished it. So I just had to do what I had to do. If you have a picky eater, you will understand the needful that you have to do to get them to eat. So that's what I just did, guys. And you guys can see he's happy. But assuming that I left him to eat it, he will not. See his mouth. My baba. Baba mommy. You're happy, right? See his plate, he finished it. Hey, guys, I'm so proud of myself. I did 500 skipping today. I did 500 skipping today, guys. Hey, I'm so proud of myself. Oh. I never knew I can skip up to 500 times. As in, you guys will not understand. The first day I tried ever skipping, I did just 100. The second time I did 300. And this is my third time, and I succeeded in doing 500. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Yeah. Guys, see who is 10 months old. 10 months. 10 months. 10 months old baby. See your face. Baba. I say Baba. 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 Say Baba. Say Baba. Baba. He likes saying Baba because that's what his dad calls him. So he wants to call him Baba. He will he will say Baba. He will follow you and say Baba. Baba. Say Baba now. He doesn't want to talk. He's been crying since he's not in a good mood today. I've been there. So my people, now any small thing everywhere will just be dark. We've entered winter now. The weather is so cold, and once it's 4:30, everywhere will just be dark. 5 o'clock is as if it's 12 o'clock midnight this time around. So everybody there indoors, no going out again. And now we heard that Corona is back. God help us. So guys, yeah, in my last vlog, some people were saying the food items are affordable and all that. Yeah, they are actually affordable compared to shops around us here. And that is because my husband went to an African shop owned by a Chinese. So they usually sell things very affordable there, unlike any other African shop owned by an African, you know. Yeah. And again, I must confess, most of the things you get from that African shop owned by Chinese, I don't know, they're not usually very good, especially our own food like obono now. if you buy ogbono from that Chinese shop, it doesn't draw at all. After cooking the ogbono, it will just be like ache, where you cooked ache or you cooked cocoyam, you know. But once you get ogbono from an African shop owned by a Nigerian or an African like Ghana, you know, it usually draw, you know, it's always better. So another thing is crayfish. If you buy crayfish from that Chinese shop, I don't know, it will be tasting like something. In fact, I don't even know how to describe the taste, you know. So some things are good there and some are not good there, but the fact is most of their things are very affordable, very affordable, very cheap, you know, compared to any other African shops. So ogbono egusi, like the one I showed you guys, my husband didn't get it from the Chinese shop. He got it from a shop owned by a Nigerian, the ogbono and the crayfish. We don't usually buy ogbono and crayfish in that African shop owned by a Chinese, yeah, because these things are not usually good. So that is it. I just want to, you know, clarify you guys, you know, so you all will know why it's very affordable. Yeah. So guys, I think I should end this vlog here, sir, because this vlog is just all over the place, you know. I'll be ending this vlog here. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and see you all in my next video.
All the ways that you make me, build me up on the